Welcome to another tutorial from Vion Consultants. Today I just want to go over Tableau desktop, and this is for folks that trying to get into business intelligence. Tableau is one of those tools, like any other business intelligence tools. It has a free edition. That's why I'm just picking this one. There are others in the market, but that I can go into in other videos, but today it's focused on Tableau. So first on how do I get this free version? What I did was Google Tableau public download, right? And this is the link right here. Download this app, install on your computer, and you're good to go. So I already have it opened. Just an overview. To connect to your data source, you have different data sources. You have Excel, text files, like your Notepad, something like that, with the comma separated values. You have JSON files, X-axis, PDF files, and there's more. So these are just the ones that are free. There's a lot more if you have a licensed edition. So we're not going to focus on that right now. I just want to give you an overview of what it looks like, how to use it. So a simple data source would be something like Excel. So I'll go into click on that Microsoft Excel. Okay, I have a bunch of data sets here. Let me try something else. Text files. Yeah. Okay, I have this one, so I'm just gonna pick. This is something I downloaded from. I guess it's a census data. Voila. So it connects straight to the census data. Brings in all the tables into access into the Tableau server. So I'm just going to open this file, the actual CSV file. It's a CSV file. So you can see the data in the CSV and how it compares to what it looks like in Tableau. Alright, so this is the actual file. As you can see, have all those data tables. We have the columns. You can see PRIDX in here, name, blase. It's all in there. This is just an overview of what it looks like in the actual file. So I was just checking to see if there are any hidden tabs, but they're not. To create a simple, visual, so there are a bunch of options here. So it starts with the sheets. You can start here. This is another worksheet if you want to add more worksheets, and the dashboard too is another option, but dashboard is just a combination of sheets. Okay, open one worksheet. Okay, what's going on? All right. So it's pretty simple how to move data around to just to get visuals. I've not really taken time to look at this data, so this is all free flow right now. I don't really understand the data myself, so I'll just take a look at it. So to take a look at data, you can just put in the row section, something like this. If you're used to applications like Microsoft Excel pivot tables, very similar to that. So I grab ET code. I don't know what that means. Just want to take a look at the data set. Grab it, put it in the rows section up here. Wait for that to populate. Okay. sometimes when you grab a full date value, put it to display, it will automatically group them into year, month, quarter, day, and all that, as you can see. So it does that for you. So this is just me looking at the data, right? So I'm gonna take all this out that I just put in. I don't think I need that value. That's not what I'm really trying to look at here. So I see what unit looks like. PCT, I don't know what that means. Val, what's this? So because it's a measure, it already did the measurement. It already turned it into a sum. I guess value means value, maybe monetary value, maybe. Oh, sorry. So marks means the type of visual you want to see. So I can change this into a line. It's not making any sense. Maybe I need to take one of these out. Let me take a unit out, for example. I don't know what this means. I'm sorry, what I clicked on is kind of like a transposition, switch between the rows and the columns, which one goes to the X and Y axis and so forth. Click it again, it goes the other way. So this visual doesn't make any sense. So click on that, now it's starting to make sense a little bit. So let's say, let me remove any ET code here, doesn't make any sense, just because of the values in the bottom, right? And I've put something like date to show some kind of trend. Where was that date we used before? I can't even remember. I think it's par name, because this icon here means calendar, so it's definitely a date. So I dragged it and put it here. Let me try that again, probably didn't work. There you go. So it's kind of a long date range. So another trick here, I can do two things to reduce the state value. Click on this drop down right here. Click on filter, none, and then maybe choose something like the last 5 years or 10 years. There's a couple of ways to do this. Different years, this relative values and all that, but I'm just gonna click it manually. Okay, there you go. So we only have for the past 5 years data. Changes from a line to a bar. There you go. So my best interpretation of this data, and this is if you're starting to do something like analysis, is to say, I'm guessing this is my best guess. So sum value, so the value of something from 2010 to 2016. You can see at 2010 the value of something, right? And we can do more things with this. So well, hold on, let me try one more thing. So I'm gonna use another I think we did ET description. So let me use description to kind of color. Yeah, no, that doesn't look good. Too many values. Let me see, category. So this cat's description, I'm guessing it means category. So let me see, change this to the color. So new single family homes. Oh come on. This thing's a little shaky. New single family houses sold. Wow, it only colored that one. So does that mean there are no values for house sale, blah blah blah? Let me try a line. Okay, it's pretty flat down here. It's not like it's no value, but it's pretty low compared to annual rates and new single family. So annual rates is pretty low. New single family. Okay, let me try this. So I want to filter on this now because new single family houses sold is way higher than every other one. So let me take that out just to look at how the visual will look like. So I'll take new single family houses sold. This one I'll take it out. Yep. See. So it's a huge outlier. So it means new single family houses for sale. What if I do this? New single family houses sold and versus for sale. Yeah. Yeah, that's weird. How can you have houses for sale down here and houses sold way up here? I guess it depends on when the houses are put in the market. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'm just giving you an overview of how to import data into Tableau and do some kind of analysis. So what you're doing is looking at the visual, looking at this using different visualizations to identify trends and things like that. So this is the same data, just using a different visual, the bar chart. So we used the line before, see the area, what it looks like. Pretty much the same square, same thing, it just looks different. Depends on how you want to look at the data. I will show you another option. This is another option up here, the show me on the top right. You can also use this option to choose different visualizations, and this also helps you when you have more data sets you want to look at. If you choose any one, you can see in the bottom that you can add one more dimension and one more measure, right? So for something like this, you can take any more dimensions, but you can take one more measure, and the measure is this one's in the bottom. So this is just I'm just gonna stop here right now. Any other questions, you can hit me up in the comment section below. If you need any other tutorial on Tableau, it's a huge application with many different functionalities. So be sure to make more videos based on the questions I get. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thanks.